Hi, my name is Allison Price. I'm the lead faculty for Math 039 at Jackson College. I'm going to walk you through some of the navigational features of my math lab in this video. This course is the My Math Lab course for Math 031 I1 in fall of 2017. But if you're taking this course in a different semester or a different section, you should see many of the same features. The first thing I want to point out is that we are in the course home menu, and there are several nice features in this menu, such as a quick synopsis of the announcements. So you can see the most recent announcement on top here, and you can view all announcements by clicking the All Announcements button. You can also click More to read more of that announcement. Another way to get to the announcement is the Announcements tab over here on the side. Another nice feature is the calendar snapshot. I'm a couple days before the semester starts right now, so I don't see anything due at my calendar, but if I fast forward until the beginning of the semester, I'm going to start to see this little watch symbol, which shows me that I have assignments due on that particular day. So this particular section only has assignments due on Mondays, so you'll see if I fast forward to another Monday, there's another set of assignments that are due. Other courses may have assignments due at various days throughout the week. You can also see the upcoming assignments in this What to Work On Next, but I would caution you here that this only shows 3 assignments and does not show all the assignments that are due on a particular day. So you'll see that there are many assignments due on the 11th, not just those 3. Okay, you can click View All Assignments here, or you can also go to the homework and quiz tests over on the left-hand side. All right, some other things in this course home menu. Overall score. Once you start completing assignments, you're going to see your score updated automatically over here, and you'll also be able to see individual assignments populate in the submission progress bar. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at some of the items on the left. I'll just make a note real quick about this Manage Course menu. Anything that you see right now that has this person with a slash through it means it's an instructor-only tool, so those will not appear in the student version. Okay, this is just what I would use if I was going to edit any part of this menu. All right, so we're currently at the course home. I'm going to go down to course information. This is where you'll find documents such as the course syllabus, the course calendar, also a link to my YouTube channel where you can see all of the videos, and a few supplements that are going to help you later on through the semester. Okay, so let me just click on one of these items, like the syllabus, for example. It should open up in a new window. You can read through the syllabus on screen here, or you can print it for your records. Download it right here or print it. The same is true for the course calendar. I want to pull that calendar up just to give you an idea what is on it. So this gives us a list of week by week all of the assignments for the entire semester, so you can plan ahead and especially prepare for your proctored exam dates, the days that you'll need to come on campus to take an exam. So definitely want to take a look at that calendar. All right, there's going to be a separate video on the syllabus, so we'll get to that a little bit later. Okay, I mentioned the Announcements tab earlier. This is where you'll find all the announcements for the course. So you've already hopefully seen Announcement 1, which asks you to first watch this video. So any time that you want to reread announcements, they'll be in the announcements menu. Announcements also do get emailed to you past the first week, so you'll see those in your email history as well. Next, our first graded category for this course is the discussion category. Now, at the moment, we're looking at the instructor view for the discussions. You can see a preview of all of the topics that you're going to have this semester. But the first topic right here is going to be on introducing yourself. You can see I've already posted the introduction, and you're going to make sure that you post your introduction and respond to at least 2 classmates. All right, I'm going to move on to the next thing in this panel, which is the homework. Okay, now homework, quizzes, and tests can all be accessed by the same menu just by switching the view between homework and quizzes and tests, but they have separate buttons in case you want to go right to one. This is where you can also view all, by the way, if you want to see quizzes, homework, and tests all together. This is where you're going to see your assignments for the week. So you can see here as well, these are all of the online assignments for this week. But don't forget to look at that calendar, because offline assignments such as discussion and midterms are not going to appear in this list. This is just the homework, quizzes, and test items. Okay, so there's a quiz. You'll want to review the syllabus and get ready for this before you take it. And then there is also a set of videos for section 1.1. You can see there are 3 homework sections on 1.1 and section 1.2. As you will keep going, notice that the quizzes have a infinite number of chances. You can take them over and over as many times as you want in order to improve your score. Tests have a prerequisite flag, meaning that you have to pass the quiz before you can take the test. and tests only have 3 chances. Okay, so that covers homework, quizzes, and tests. Last, let's talk about the gradebook. This is where all of your scores will be recorded. You'll see your current score. You can also click on Show Calculation, which I recommend because then it shows you your average per category so you can see where you need to work on the most. Is it homework that is bringing your grade up or down? Is it quizzes or a test, and so on? So I recommend often checking the calculation there to see the breakdown or the distribution of your grade. All right, there's a few more items in this menu. The next one is chapter contents. This is where you will access the e-textbook if you're interested in viewing any portion of the book. Now, this book does contain material that goes through Math 039 and 139. Chapters 1 through 9 are considered Math 039 content, and the end of chapter 9 through chapter 14, I believe, are considered Math 139 material. I think chapter 15 is extraneous. Okay, so anytime you want to view anything from the textbook, you can click directly into the section and just view the multimedia textbook. It'll pop up in its own window, and you can read a section on, oh, I would need to open my Flash player, but I could read a section in the textbook and review a topic. Okay, I can also, in the student success area, work on problems in the study plan if I wanted to do additional practice. Now, these problems do not count towards my grade, but they can help me prepare and study for an exam. Okay. In Tools for Success, you can review basic algebra, you can get some graphing calculator help, and watch some videos about overcoming anxiety and more. In College Success, you can look at a whole variety of topics. And in the next category, study skills, you can learn about time management, you can learn about effective note-taking, etc. We're going to have a discussion topic later on that's going to ask us to delve a little deeper into these study skills. Okay, and the last one's a math readings connection. Okay. In course tools, you have the option to email. You can either email your instructor through this, or you can email fellow classmates if there's somebody in the discussion forum that offers help or that you want to contact. You can email classmates or the instructor through this email. Right now it only shows me because, like I said before, we haven't started the semester yet, so this list is not populated yet. Okay. I think that's all that we use for the most part in here, although the HTML ebook is an alternate way of opening the ebooks that also can be used. All right. Last, I just want to show you a little bit of what the homework assignments look like. So I'm going to click into one of these, kind of any question. And I just want to show you real quick how to answer. So if t is a number of years since 1978, what does t equal 5 mean? So I know that means 1978 plus 5, which would be the year 1983. I'm going to first get it wrong. So let's say I say 1981 and just wanted to show you what happens. So it gives me a little hint right here, and then I can correct myself by typing in the correct answer, and then I get a check mark. My question gets marked complete, and I can go on to the next question. Okay, so now you can see that that question was scored correctly. You get 3 chances on each question, and then you can still redo the question in order to get it correct. Let me pick a different one. Let me look at number 4 here. Okay, person buys any audio CDs. The cost is 11N. Evaluate 11N for N equals 9. So that's 9 times 11 is 99. Let me just type in the wrong answer. I just want to show you real quick that if I enter this 3 times incorrectly, that it will score the question wrong, but I can do a similar question. If I get that similar question correct, then I will get full credit for the answer. So it's always to your benefit to do a question over and over. Also, question help right here is really handy. You can view an example. You can ask it to help you solve it by walking through the question, or this is the most useful way to get to the textbook by linking right from a question. Okay. If something really stumps you, or if you type in an answer and you think it was correct but it marked it wrong for some reason, please use the Ask My Instructor button, and then you can ask me about the question. You can ask for hints. You can ask whether you were right and it just marked you wrong, or whatever you need to ask about it. This sends me an email that has a picture of exactly what you see on your screen the moment you hit this button. So I'd advise you to please not clear this before you type it. Before you, if you've typed in here, do not clear it before you hit the Ask My Instructor button, because I want to see what you typed in there so I can see exactly what to respond to. All right. So I think that is all that I wanted to speak about. If you have any questions about your math lab course, please send me an email. Thank you.